Hey everyone, getting ready to do a glue up here for the next video I've got coming out. It's going to be a fun one, so stay tuned for that. But today I wanted to share with you these clamps I picked up the other day. They're really awesome clamps that have a secret hidden superpower. Okay, it's not all that hidden, it's all over the box, but it's a really nice feature. They're Jorgensen easy hold clamps. They've got a quick slide feature. They've got the lever for tightening it up. Works really nicely, but the secret hidden superpower, take this end off. It goes from a 6-inch clamp. Take your other clamp, take that end off, flip it around, lock the two together, and now your 6-inch clamp is suddenly a 16.25-inch clamp. Really nice clamps. They've got different sizes. Right here I've got a 12-inch clamp. Tie them together, 28.25-inch clamp. Awesome clamps. Check them out if you're interested. I'll pin a link in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a good one. I've got another video coming out after that in which I'll share your favorite tool companies that you shared with me. I'll share mine. Got a few other segments that are going to be in that video that are going to be really fun. So stay tuned. I'm excited about the content that I've got coming out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day.